When you produce a video, you want the closed captions to be high quality. There are services that you can pay for to produce high quality closed captions, but those can be very expensive. Free caption generating tools are generally not great. The Americans with Disabilities Act defines ADA compliant captions as relaying the speaker's exact words with correct spelling, punctuation, and grammar with 99% accuracy and no paraphrasing. No free auto captioner on the market at this time can promise you that level of accuracy. However, if you do not have a budget to produce captions for your videos, you can use a combination of free AI tools to produce better quality captions. Please note that we are not promising this workflow will get you to that 99% accurate level, and you may still need to do some editing work on your end to get to that level, but this process can get you much closer. The process we will demonstrate involves four main steps. One, using YouTube to generate a transcript. Two, using ChatGPT to clean up the transcript. Three, doing a final manual review. And four, downloading a caption file, which we can then use in any video streaming platform, including UF's media site. So let's begin. When you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube will generate captions for it. There are some exceptions to this policy, but most videos will be auto-captioned by YouTube. Please note that it takes a little while before the caption file will appear, depending on the length of your video. The way you can access your video's caption file is by clicking on the Edit Video button on the video in YouTube. Click Subtitles on the left-hand navigation. Hover your mouse over the English Automatic Captions option and click the pencil button that appears. Click Continue if prompted. You will see a menu that looks like this. What you'll notice is that YouTube has generated a transcription of your video, but the punctuation and capitalization is effectively non-existent. You can see the text written out here as essentially a block of text. Down here, you can see that the text is broken up correctly by time, even though it doesn't show you the time codes above. If you make changes to the text in the text box, it will change the captions below, as you can see. While YouTube's AI has generated a caption file, the lack of punctuation makes it very messy and definitely not ADA compliant. So we can then use ChatGPT to clean up the caption punctuation. In another tab or window, prompt ChatGPT with add proper punctuation to, and then copy a block of text from YouTube to ChatGPT and press enter. If the text is more than a couple of paragraphs long, you may need to go a section at a time because ChatGPT can only process a certain amount of text at a time. But as you can see, ChatGPT adds proper punctuation and spacing and capitalization and all of the other elements that turn the text from a block of words into something actually readable. Simply copy the text and paste it back into YouTube, replacing the auto-generated text. Clicking play here, you can see that the caption file is already updated. If you needed to go a paragraph at a time, repeat this process for the rest of the text in your caption. Once again, it's worth noting that to reach the 99% accuracy level of the ADA standards, you will want to manually review the video and its captions. You may need to make a few tweaks manually. For example, YouTube heard "you have" instead of "UF has," and ChatGPT would not know to change that. So once you've finished this process, click the Publish button The English video language option will appear. To get a caption file that you can upload to another video platform like MediaSite, hover over the line's Published section, click the three dots that appear, then click Download SRT. Your caption file will download. Having followed these steps, we've created a usable caption file for a video and saved a lot of time doing it using AI.